Breaking news, Naoya Inoue, sobrang galing mo at ni-knockout po si Luis Nery in round number 6 in one of the, grabe, sobrang gandang laban po nang nakita natin. Kinabahan pa ako sa una. Let me tell you what happened. In the first round, biruin mo, napabaksak po ito pong si Naoya Inoue ni Luis Nery with that left hook. At napaluhod itong si Naoya Inoue. Nagulat siguro siya because may power pala itong si Luis Nery, but ito po siguro kinailangan ni Naoya Inoue para po magising. At pagkatapos noon, he became the monster and he get back right away. Pagkatapos po ng round number 1, round number 2 ay pinabaksak din po kaagad pabalik ni Naoya Inoue. Ito pong si Luis Nery with the left hook counter shot. At sabi ko from that point, dapat mag-ingat na itong si Naoya Inoue. Pero Naoya Inoue has regained confidence. Pasok lahat ng mga right straight. The thing is, si Naoya Inoue has left and right power. Si Nery, meron siyang left. But pag wala yung left, wala na. So, nagkaroon po ng confidence at nagsho-showboat pa nga ng konti itong si Naoya Inoue. Sabi niya, tamaan mo ko dito. And from second round to the last round, which is the 6th round, puro Naoya Inoue na po. As a matter of fact, the round number 5, napabaksak na naman niya itong si Luis Nery with the short left hook while Nery is pressuring. Diba? Sinabi ko sa inyo to. Yung mga nakinig. Pag itong si Nery ay nagmadali at sumugod dahil ganyan po ang style niya, tapos. Diba? Tapos kagad. Round number 6, Naoya Inoue. I think si Naoya Inoue naglalaro-laro pa eh. Gusto niya talagang pahirapan at parusahan ito eh. Pero kawawa na eh, no? He was playing him, he was landing at will, the right straight, at yung pinakahuling patama ni Naoya Inoue. Diyos ko, kala ko mababali yung liig eh. Parang kala mo talaga na nawala yung liig ni Nery. Ayan, no? Parang nawala yung liig ni Nery dito sa scene na to. And Naoya Inoue just proved to the world, ito po you were knocked down, and pag na-knockdown, syempre malaking bagay sa mindset yan eh. He's a true champion. At hindi po makakalbo si Pau Salud. Okay? He's a true champion. Na-knockdown siya, he adjusted and pinakita niya yung galing niya. Hindi lang sa lakas niya, pati yung skill niya. Obviously, he's much faster. Nery just doesn't have anything else to offer than that left hand, and medyo nanggigil na rin si Nery. I know he's not gonna win by decision. So I guess salute to him because greater risk, greater reward. That's what happened. But ano ngayon ang masasabi nyo? Puro tama prediction ko ngayon, ano? hindi, okay lang po. Okay lang po magkamali, tao lang. At anyway, anong sunod ngayon kay Naoya Inoue? Ang sunod kay Naoya Inoue, kala ko si Akhmadilib eh. Kala ko ba Sam Goodman kay Casimero ang nababalita? Sam Goodman, nandoon si Sam Goodman kay Naoya Inoue at gustong kalabanin Sam Goodman si Naoya Inoue. Sabi ni Sam Goodman, kung ayaw mo kalabanin, bitawan mo yung belt mo. And they're negotiating daw on September. So baka siya na nga ang kasunod. So yun po ang nangyari ngayong araw na ito. Congratulations. The best ka talaga, Naoya Inoue. You are one of the greatest in the world of boxing. Naoya Inoue, tell me kung anong nakita nyo sa laban niya at comment down below. And pag-usapan po natin yung laban ni Naoya. Very exciting talaga. Galing talaga ni Naoya Inoue.